welcome back to Fresh Out the Water. It's your boy Phatz482.
And it's your boy Uso Jax.
Off to another facility.
So I hope we're not doing anything outrageous, eating monga monga, eating a cockroach, you know? Like,
Because I grew up with a lot of monga monga.
I know, I did too, cuz. So I hope it's nothing like that, you know what I mean? Like,
Because the monga monga will know your name.
yes.
But yeah, we're here.
Empire Studios.
Community of Performing Arts.
Are we doing a music video?
It better not be performing martial arts.
Welcome to the studio, boys. Nice to have you here. Today we're going to be learning a little bit of basic contemporary dance.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
A bit of emotion, some expression.
That's sort of like the...
Okay.
Exactly that, my friend.
Damn it!
Do you guys have any contemporary dance experience or dance experience?
You can crumb.
Yeah.
You can hit that dougie.
Contemporary dance is basically, to my understanding, an extension of modern dance, and that came after classical ballet. Ballet was more aesthetically driven, which is why it's all kind of like upright and long and straight, and you know, contemporary dance is more expressive. Today we're going to learn 3 little kind of movement or phrases. 3 of these movements you're going to learn, and then you're going to make up a phrase with your own story, incorporating those 3 movements. The first one, you might have heard of this. It's called a waltz. First position is our heels together, and you're just going out to as far as you can go.
None of our thighs can lock in.
That's okay as long as the heels are together as
Okay,
far
cool.
as they can go, and think of lifting in your hips and thinking tall. In, up, up. In, up, up.
Good work.
Beautiful work. Now
Where's the advanced classes?
Now with your arms, take us on a story. Take us on a journey. What are you trying to say? Are you saying I'm the most grandest person in the world, or are you saying
I'm
something
Moana from
else?
Motunui. I'm Moana from
Exactly.
Motunui.
Now we're gonna go into a lunge. Think of opening the heavens with your arms. So step, bend, and then you're gonna roll up.
Let's all vai.
Yes! Now roll up, roll up, roll up. Try to give it that emotion. What is your story? You know, contemporary dance, we're opening the heavens, or whatever else you want to open. What would you like
There's
to open
other things
first?
they want to open.
So for this last move, we're gonna face this side. Spot here, follow, follow, follow. And then you're gonna whip around and turn, but you're gonna keep your eyes to the front, and then you're gonna whip it around. Yeah?
Okay.
Boom! Yes.
Okay.
And try to think of your body as being like on a pole. Think of a pu'a. You know how he's rolling around like this?
Oh,
You
yeah,
just
well, he would
imagine
know
like
straight
you're
away.
rolling around
He
like
would
this. Go, and just say turn, woo!
Cuz, slow down. It's bouncing, cuz. It's bouncing.
See, I'm like...
It's bouncing. Hey, guys. My name's Uso Jax. And my performance is ordinary.
Let's go, cuz.
1, 2, 3, 1. I'm no ordinary girl from the deep blue underworld. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Phatz482, and my performance today is about blocking the noise. Get away from me. I am not signing up to your program. I'm not available. I'm not commenting, all right? Oh, please leave me alone. I'm not commenting to start. Thank you, guys.
So boys, how you feeling? Feeling good?
Great, man.
Well done. Thank you so much for your work today.
To be honest, that was difficult. That was hard. But I loved it.
Yeah, it was a lot harder than we thought. So mad respect to you guys and what you guys do.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, all
Thanks,
good, man.
man. My guy, bro.
Thank you for your time. Beautiful work.
Appreciate it, man.
Beautiful storytelling,
Bro.
man.
Definitely locking
Another session.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
Oh, no worries.
You have a good one.
Guys, you guys take care.
Thanks, Vincent. Man. Oh, my back.